Okay, let's draw the floral design too. The canvas size is 3000 by 3000 and 300 dpi. First, draw the circle and then move to the center. Draw the flame shape on top of the circle. Draw the base of the floral design and then draw the 3 petals on the bottom. The sketch done and duplicate 4 times and move to the side one by one. Okay, use monolith trim brush to outline your sketch and brush size is about 10%. And I choose black to draw the outline. Draw along the sketch. When you are drawing the very long line, use your shoulder to move your hand freely. Then add a new layer below it and I choose square brush to draw the finishing touches and I choose blue color. Okay, this is the pressure brush. So the more pressure, thick line, and the less pressure, thin line. Okay, draw the finishing touches like this and add dot. Add the odd number dot to be more attractive. Draw thick line to the base from long to short. Okay, the first design done. Let's for the second one. Choose moonlight trim brush and choose black color to outline the sketch and add a new layer. Draw along the sketch. This time I draw another petal design like this. Okay. Now draw the base of the petals. And now the top one, the flame shape. Okay, draw the design like this. And draw it one by one. You can draw from big to small or the same side. Okay, I'll fast forward a bit. Okay, let's fill in the blank space with black. Okay, add a new layer below it and choose script brush to draw the finishing touches. Okay, color the circle and draw this 5 times, and you can add any number you want, but you remember odd is more attractive than even number. Okay, the middle one is long and short to the side. Okay, let's design the base. Now let's draw this. Draw the base thick line and top thin line. Draw this one by one like this. And I will fast forward a bit. Okay, draw the other side. Thick line to the base and thin line to the top. Okay, the second design done. Let's draw the third design. Draw the outline with the monoline trim brush. And I change the petal design like this. You can draw any design to the petals. Okay, I draw the flower to the top of the flame shade. I draw 4 petals in this one. You can add many petals to the flower. Let's draw the center. Okay, choose orange color and use script brush to draw finishing touches. Okay, the long one is in the middle and short to the side. Okay, I choose to draw this one with a monoline trim brush with a brush size of 7% and draw this to look like an eye. And use script brush to draw the rest of the finishing touches. Okay, let's fit the design to the petals. I draw the odd number dot to the petals. Draw from long to short, from the side to the center. Draw the base of the petals. Okay, let's add more petals to the base. And then add design to it with script brush. Okay, that's that design. Then let's draw the final one. Draw it with a monoline trim brush. And I change another design to the petals. Draw the base of the petals. Now draw the top. From large to small. Okay, use script brush to draw finishing touches. First, draw the circle like this and then add some finishing touches to the petals. And add some line and dots to it. Okay, let's design the base of the petals. Okay, let's design the top one. Draw a long line like this. Thick line to the base and thin line to the top. And add more lines in between. Okay, draw this to the other side like this. I post the final piece of these 4 designs on my Instagram and Facebook. Link in description below. It's done.